OSU-Cascades has an engineering degree to serve the growing interest in solar energy. Bola Badibos talks with graduates of that program, putting their education to good use.
In its 11 years, OSU's Energy Systems Engineering program has turned out more than 200 graduates. Some have landed jobs at Solve Energy in Bend.
I just want to kind of do my part to help mitigate the effects of climate change.
I didn't really know what I was going to use the degree for, but I really knew I wanted to work in renewable energy and was very passionate about that.
The Energy Systems Engineering program at Oregon State University Cascades is one of only 6 of its kind in the country.
They can expect a broad engineering degree that teaches them about mechanical, electrical, and industrial engineering so that they don't need to be specialized.
Fluid mechanics, there's circuits, there's some traditional math courses like multivariable calculus.
Andrew Bays graduated from the program more than a year ago and was hired at Solve Energy in Bend as a system integrator.
We've sent so many students to Earth Cruiser and to Solve and to Colbright.
Brendan Light earned his degree about 7 years ago. For the past 4 months, he's been a senior SCADA engineer at Solve Energy.
I've been passionate about renewable energy since middle school.
Prior to Solve, he worked for other energy companies and felt well prepared by OSU Energy Systems curriculum. Casey Thomas is also applying knowledge from the degree program in her work at Solve Energy as a SCADA engineer.
As we can see the effects of climate change on the environment, we all can do our part to help, and the energy sector is growing like crazy and more renewables are here, and we need engineers to be able to support that growth.
Essentially, we control solar plants, utility scale solar plants, and we provide the ability for our control center to be able to operate those plants remotely.
I really enjoy the technical aspect of what I get to do on the day-to-day.
85% of students who've enrolled in the OSU program are from Oregon, with 45% being from Central Oregon.
It'd be good for the community to know that we're here as a resource for companies and for students and for businesses.
According to OSU, graduates of the program have a 95% job placement. The systems engineering degree takes an average of 4 years to complete. Bola Badibos, News Channel 21.